Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Billy Chef right here. So today I'm gonna be analyzing and be trading XAUUSD. Okay. So guys, I'm going to be doing the analysis. I'll show you guys my analysis, my entry, and my exit. Okay. So guys, using my sniper entry strategy. So guys, we are going to be starting the analysis from the 4 hours, okay, to 1 hour to the 15 time frame, which we are going to get our entry finally. Okay, so guys, so here is one of the levels the market have previously respected. Okay, so here is another hour 4 level which the market have respected. So you see that the market came here the third time, it respected this level. So let's mark out these 3 levels. Okay, let's mark out these 3 levels. So guys, these 3 places, we see that the market have reacted to these 3 places. Okay, so guys, let's check it on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's switch to 1 hour time frame and get this entry clearly. Okay, so guys, here is on the 1 hours time frame. Okay, so we are going to see the entry more clearly here on the 1 hours time frame. Okay, so guys, what we are waiting for now is for market to come back to this level. So we are going to put a horizontal line there. Okay, so here now we are waiting for the market to enter this level right here, and then we look for entry at this level. Okay, so I will be watching out these trades. Okay, so whenever the market comes to this level, I will watch out for reaction on my MT4. Okay, and I will enter my trades. Okay, so guys, I will show you guys everything. So guys, the market came to the level here. Okay, so when the market came to the level, you see how I highlighted it there. Okay, so the market went up from the level. So what I did, I waited for it to come back to the level again. Okay, one more time so I can enter my trades. Okay, and we can see it came to the level and I've entered my trades. Okay, so the capital which I'm gonna use is $8,500. Okay, so guys, my target is I'm targeting like $5,000 upward. Okay, so guys, and as I keep getting more confirmation, I can add more position to this trade. Okay, and then we see how much we can make from this trade. Okay, so guys, let's go. So guys, our trade is running like 15 pips right now. Okay, so it is running 15 pips from our entry. So after we entered from the M1 time frame, okay, so the trade keep reacting to the level. Okay, so I checked on the M5. So based on the reaction on the M5, so I entered more position again. Okay, so I'm backing like 3,800 profit. Okay, I'm pushing 4,000 US dollars right now. Okay, so this support level here, this previous support level here. Okay, so I'm going to close some of my trades. Okay, I'm going to close some of my trades. Okay, so currently running 4k profits right now. Okay, so I give the signal also on my telegram channel here. Okay, So I gave the signal here. Okay, so let me update them. I've updated my community members. Okay, so guys, I'll drop a link to this my free Telegram channel on this video description. Okay, here is what we do every time. Okay, we post signals and withdraw and enjoy our money. Okay, so that's what we do here, guys. So I've updated them. Okay, so and currently the take profit one which I give them is 20 pips, which it is running 20 pips right now, and my running profit is $5,000. Okay, and I told you guys that the profit which I'm chasing on this trade is $5,000. So guys, I've reached the $5,000 profit right now. Okay, so on this take, if this take profit one is hit, what I'm going to do, I'll close some of my position. Okay, so I'll back like 4k profit. So and then I will set my break even to hold more because I gave them more take profit. You can see, so like I give them more take profit, and 1934.5 is our take profit too. Okay, so I will close some of them at this take profit one now. Okay, so it is getting to this take profit one. Once it is hit, I'll update them and I'll close some of my position and I'll hold some for take profit two and my take profit three. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, so guys, that is the signal take profit one hit. Now let's update them and let's close some of our trades and let's set break even now. Okay, so guys, let's go close some positions now. So guys, we have bagged $4,375, and then we are currently running on $800 profit. Okay, so guys, total we are bagged over $5,000 profit. So this our remaining position. What we are going to do, we are going to set break even for take profit 2 and take profit 3. Okay, so guys, that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so guys, our second take profit is hit right now. Okay, so our second take profit is hit, so let's update them. Okay, let's update them. So our second take profit is hit, and you see it is running 40 pips right now. Okay, so from 8,500 to 15k, from 85 to 15k. Okay, bagged 4,900 and running 15. Okay, so 16 and 49, that is 6,500. Okay, so we are up $6,500 right now. Okay, so $6,500 running. So let's go and update them on our Telegram channel. Everything we do here is free. Okay, everything we do here is free. So total running now is $6,500. Okay, we have closed 4,900 and running 1,600. So total money I'm bagging right now is 6,500. Okay, and I didn't make this money alone. I made it with my members. Okay, so my free members. Okay, so I dropped them signal, so everyone made money. Okay, so guys, any strategy I drop on this channel, it is free. Okay, I trade with it. If I don't trade with it, I don't teach you guys. Anything I do here is free. So and when you trade with my strategy, you should be confident in taking your trades. Okay, that's why I'm making these videos. Okay, so I'm making it to prove it to you guys that my strategy really works. Okay, they really works. So that works for me. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.